Hello there. Today we're looking at Christmas stories, and this is a story for the adults and if you are a beginner. The story is called A Gift for Greg. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn English together. Today we're reading, or you can just listen. A simple Christmas story for ESL beginner learners. It was cold. Greg sat by the fire with a mug. His pal Brad came in with a gift. "Grab the bag," said Brad. Greg grinned. "What is it?" "Open it," Brad said. Greg ripped the wrap, and inside was a black sled. "A sled?" Greg laughed. "Yes," said Brad. "We'll go to the hill." Greg and Brad went to the snow. The sled slid fast. They had a blast. Questions. Who bought a gift for Greg? So that goes right back to the beginning of the story. Who bought a gift for Greg? It was cold. Greg sat by the fire with a mug. His pal Brad came in with a gift. Who bought a gift for Greg? Brad. Brad bought the gift. Well, what was Greg doing when Brad came in? When Brad came in, it was cold. Greg sat by the fire with a mug. His pal Brad came in with a gift. What was Brad doing? What was Greg doing when Brad came in? He was sitting by the fire with a mug. So at the first two I've gone back through the slides and showed you the answers. The next one, you can do the same. I'm not going to. Question number 3. What was in the bag? What was in the bag? A sled. If you said a black sled, that would be an even better, because that's an adjective. A black sled. What did Greg and Brad do with the sled? They went to the snow and used the sled to slide down the hill. Do you have a sled? Do you use a sled in the snow? Do you have snow? Answer those questions below. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a Christmas tree. I have a Christmas tree in my house. Do you have a Christmas tree in your house? Do you celebrate Christmas, or do you celebrate something else at this time of year? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed our reading. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this story, and watch out for some grammar and vocabulary next time. Bye bye for now.